Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. It's me, Clarissa, and you're watching me on Hump Day. So today I'm gonna give you guys an all natural makeup look. This is a makeup look you can do before school, before work. You know, you can go out in this look if you want to look very natural, like me. If you want to look natural like this. They keep on watching. So first we're gonna start off with this. All you do is put it on your hand, then you're gonna apply it to your face. So what this is used for is if you're imperfect, not like me, and you want to fill in your pores, which something I don't have. But for all you people that have pores, this is really good to fill in your pores and make you look flawless, just like me.
Just like me. Just like me. Just like me.
Where's my eyebrow shit? Next, I'm gonna go on with this brow definer by Anastasia. This side has a spoolie, and this side is the dip brow. I don't know if you can see that. I'm in the shade brown. Now I'm gonna go on with my mirror and use this to fill in my brows. And I'm using such a big mirror because I have big ass eyebrows, so I have more room to see what I'm working with. Alright, so now that my brows look very natural, easy, you can barely even tell that I filled them in. So next we're gonna go in with my MAC foundation in the shade Soft. As you can see that, this is MAC. Next, I'm just gonna use my fingers to melt the foundation into my pores, or the things you guys call pores. I don't have them. So make sure you just blend it very evenly all over your face. The more fingers you use, the better. The better you can blend it out. So now that you've covered all your imperfections, it's time to move on to the eyes. This eyeshadow palette, using the pinks, the browns to go in and make it look very natural. Now that we've done a very soft, smoky look, I'm gonna move on to the lips. So now I'm gonna move on and use my Kylie Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Umbrella. It's a very soft, natural lipstick. So now you're just gonna wanna fill in your ugly lips. And it never hurts to make your lips look a little bigger, to enhance them. Now, don't just stop here. Don't be a little afraid to, make your lips look a little more plump than usual. You have the Kylie lipstick. Might as well try to look as much like her as you can. So now that you have your lips, look like you just got your lips done, But don't mind me, nothing here. Go ahead and, add a little more details to your eyes. You're gonna want to do it as close to your natural lash line as possible so people don't notice that you're wearing makeup. So you're just gonna want to go in with a few mascaras, pick the ones you like, pick and choose, but just use at least 6 layers. That should be good enough to make your lashes look thick and natural. So now I'm gonna go in with my Hoola bronzer and just apply this to here to enhance the cheekbones. So the bigger forehead you have, the more down you're gonna want to go with your contour. But if you're like me and you don't have a big head, you're just gonna want to keep it very close to the hairline. So now that you are snatched for the gods with this contour, you're gonna want to move on to blush, you know, to make your face a little rosy, little, you know, a little settled. So now I'm gonna go in with my MAC blush and my Morphe brush. I'm gonna take my MAC blush, just a little bit, and just, you know, apply this to the apples of the cheeks, very subtly, very softly. So now I'm gonna go in with my Becca highlighter and just apply a little bit to my face. Very soft, you know, highlight on the skin. So that's it. That's all you need to achieve this, you know, very soft, glamorous, going out, natural kind of look. Moist. Alright, so that was my makeup tutorial. I couldn't even last through the outro without breaking out. So yeah, I like doing my makeup, but sometimes like it depends on what makeup, because it gets my skin very irritated. But you know what? If you want to put makeup on and that makes you feel beautiful, then you do that. If wearing no makeup at all makes you feel beautiful, then do that. Do whatever makes you happy, because at the end of the day, who's gonna be there for you? You. Alright, so thanks for watching.